Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai is a great value with less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Thank you for visiting Motorcars.